Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to link your Facebook business page to a Facebook group. This is a powerful way to build a community around your brand and engage with your audience in a more interactive space. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to facebook.com. Once you're there, log in using your Facebook business account credentials. After signing in, you'll be directed to your Facebook homepage. This is your main hub for managing all your business activities on the platform. Now take a look at the left side of your screen where you'll find the navigation menu, locate the tab labeled Groups, and click on it. This section is where you'll manage all group-related activities for your business. Once you click on Groups, you'll be taken to the Groups feed page. Now it's important to note that due to recent changes Facebook has implemented, the process for creating and managing groups has shifted slightly. Previously, there were different restrictions, but now the platform has streamlined things so that only personal profiles can create groups and assign them to a page. However, you can still create a group directly using your Facebook business account, which makes the entire process much more straightforward and efficient. From your page dashboard, look for the button that says Plus Create New Group. This is your starting point for setting up a new community space linked to your business page. Click on it to begin the creation process. You'll notice that Facebook keeps this process simple and user-friendly, so you won't need to navigate through multiple complicated menus. After clicking on Plus Create New Group, a setup window will appear. Here, you'll need to enter a name for your group. Choose something that clearly represents your business or the community you're building, as this will be the first thing potential members see. Next, you'll configure the privacy settings for your group. You can choose between public, private visible, or private hidden depending on how you want to manage membership and visibility. This step is crucial because it determines who can find and join your group. One particularly useful feature you'll see here is the option to invite all your business page followers to this new group. There's a toggle button that allows you to do this automatically. If you want to quickly build your group membership with people who are already interested in your brand, go ahead and toggle this option on. It's a great way to jumpstart engagement and create an instant community. Once you've entered your group name, selected your privacy settings, and decided whether to invite your followers, you're ready to finalize everything. Look toward the bottom left part of your screen where you'll find the Create button. Click on it to complete the setup. Facebook will process your request and create the group, linking it to your business page. And there you have it. You've successfully linked your Facebook business page to a Facebook group, creating a dedicated space for community interaction and engagement. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.